So here's how I've been getting free internet in 2024. In fact, I'm going to take it a step further and show you how my internet company has been paying me to use the service. What's up, everyone? If you're new here, my name is James Jernigan. I make videos about making money online, and I travel the country full time with my wife in our self-converted RV. So I run my entire business on the internet. I do it from anywhere I am, and I've been using what I'm going to show you here to do it. Now, before we go any further, I know what you're thinking. How could you possibly get free internet? Is this a scam? What's the catch? So I do have a couple disclaimers here, two of them. Disclaimer number one, you will have to pay for the first month to activate your subscription to the service in order for this to work. The second disclaimer is this requires a teeny bit of work. Ew, gross, right? So if you're opposed to doing a little bit of work, or if you just think there's some kind of magic cheat code that's going to give you something for nothing, click off the video right now because this is not for you. However, if you're willing to spend a couple minutes to potentially change your life and get free internet, if not make money from your internet subscription, then spend 5 minutes watching this video. So here's how this works. You can see here that these subscriptions, this particular device I'm talking about, start at $53. Well, what you need to know is this company also has a referral program that pays you for rewarding other people. So here you can see an email I got last month in January. We've paid out your $50 reward to your PayPal account. And the thing is, I get multiple of these emails every single month. So here's what it looks like. It's as simple as this. Refer your friends, get $25 in cash. They give you a link here. So now what you're going to need to do is share this link with at least 3 people, right? 2 people is going to get you to 50. If you want to cross that $53 threshold, you're going to need to share it with 3 people. That'll get you $75 a month in cash, literally just by sharing a link, just clicking that and sharing it. So if you want to get started doing this right now, I'll even give you a 10% discount on your first month so you can save even more money and go from there. So you can grab that at dirtcheapdata.com if you want to start doing this. Again, the website is dirtcheapdata.com. Get yourself a 10% discount. And so now what I want to do is show you how to actually make money with this, right? Because, of course, everyone's heard of a referral program, but how do you actually get people to click on your link and sign up? Well, I have this little diagram here to show you 3 different ways. So this is what most people do. They come over to social media, they open Facebook, they go to make a new post, and they share the link. But the problem with that is you're not going to get very much engagement, right? You might get one comment, somebody saying, "What is this?" You might get a click or 2 on your link, but it's not really going to amount to much if you do it that way. The better way, which is what some other people do, is they post a description of what it is they're talking about with, again, the link in the post. So that might get you a few more interactions, right? You might get a few comments coming from that. But the problem with both of these methods is that social media platforms are a for-profit business, right? Even though they're free to use, they want to make a profit. So when you share a link on these platforms, that is giving people an opportunity to leave the platform. Now think about it from Facebook's perspective for a minute. If you are Facebook, what do you want? You want to make money. So how do you make money if you're Facebook? Advertisers, right? You see the ads, people click on the ads, and the more ads that people see on your platform, the more money you make. So if you were Facebook, why on earth would you want to promote content that gives people an opportunity to leave the platform and go somewhere else and not watch your ads? So the solution to that, what very few people are doing, and this is a huge opportunity for you if you want to get free internet or potentially make money from the referral program, is to post a question like, who wants cheap internet? Who wants free internet? Who's paying too much for their internet? If you found a service that was half the price of your current internet connection, would you switch, right? Any of these questions that you post are going to trigger a response of people saying yes. Right? They're going to say, yes, I'm interested in that. And then another person is going to comment and say yes. And then another person is going to comment and say yes. And then something even more magical is going to happen, something we call FOMO, fear of missing out. So what's going to happen as you get more of these comments, first of all, each time you get a comment, the algorithm is then going to show your post to more people. So once you start getting a bunch of these comments here saying yes, 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 then other people are going to see this and be like, oh my God, what am I missing out on? And they're going to comment as well, which is just going to snowball this process. So by making one post with a question, you can generate an awful lot of engagement, and you can send that engagement to a link that is going to earn you money. And again, if you use my link here, dirtcheapdata.com, you can not only save 10%, but then you can also join this referral program and get $25 in cash for every person that you refer. So what I try to do here with this diagram is give you a little bit of game on how to take it to the next level and not only share your link, but to create a snowball of engagement on your profile that is going to send more and more people to your link each month. So if all that makes sense to you, first of all, I recommend heading to Dirt Cheap Data right now and getting started so that you can save money or potentially make money on your internet connection. Now, if you want to take this a step further, like I said, I do this full time. It's called affiliate marketing, and I have a training, a free training that shows you more details about what I do and how you can start doing it yourself, and that's at profitpassively.com. Now, this training is not going to be free for long, so I recommend checking it out sooner rather than later. And other than that, I hope this helps you save money on your internet bill, and I hope it helps you make a bunch of money. So with that said, if you liked this information, if you found it helpful, be sure to click the red subscribe button down below so that you see the content I put out in the future. Take a second to share this video with your friends if you know somebody who's paying too much for internet or somebody who actually wants to make money on the internet. Make sure you share this video with them. And other than that, I hope you have an outstanding day, and I'll catch you on the next video.